My dear friend, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can find a request message on Instagram. So if you don't follow someone and if they send you a message, then this message will not come in your inbox directly. Okay, so if you don't find your request message option, then this video only for you. Okay friend, let's begin the tutorial. So here you can see the Instagram. Click on this, and this is the interface of Instagram. So we need to go here, the option you can see, message option. Okay, right top corner, click on this, and after that, if you follow someone, then if they message you, then you can find in chat list. So if you find request message, then you can find the right side. Okay, the right side request option, click on this message request. So this message request is only for this option, then click, then you can see that this guy messaged me because I didn't follow them. Okay, so this message came in the request option. So when I accept, then I can't okay, if I accept this, then I can easily message or conversation with them. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and today is no more. Thank you for watching this.